Hey there everybody, how's it going? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to blur out a part of a video in Premiere Pro. Now this will be particularly useful and basically helpful to you if you have any sensitive information in the video, for example a license plate, bank card, basically anything that contains any sensitive information, anything sensitive in it. So without any further hesitation, let's begin. Alright everybody, so I've loaded up Premiere Pro and essentially just, drag your specific footage or whatever it is to the timeline, and now what you want to do is come over to the effects panel, come over to, if I'm correct, blur and sharpen, don't know why I clicked that, and essentially just come over to Gaussian. Essentially just come over to Gaussian blur, come over to effect controls, and now what you want to do is use the free draw masking tool, or the pen tool rather, and just, so as you can see now I've basically just covered that now, and now what you want to do is come over to the blurriness and increase it, and as you can see it's blurring it out. So you can change it the way it looks, so horizontal, vertical, we're going to go for both. So you can increase it 50%, and you can go a bit too far as well, but that was a joke by the way, and a very unfunny one. And yeah, that's essentially how it's done. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to blur out a part of a video in Premiere Pro. If this video is of any value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Leave the video a thumbs up and share it to help it rank in search results to help the channel grow. And leave your questions or feedback down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.